Hi, welcome back to Area Engine Research. Today I'm going to be working on trying to see about stabilizing the push rods to the valves. I've been having some trouble with that. The ring thing that I made, this didn't seem to work out too well, so I'm going to try a different idea by having just two L brackets mounted so that they are on both sides of the push rods. That'll support them when they go back and forth. I've only got one cylinder sitting on here, so I want to try the air in it, but I don't know if it'll work or not, so we'll have to see. Oops. I don't hear anything leaking. So that's good. I don't have the top actually supported like I should, but I guess it'll be okay. Didn't go for some reason. Running on one cylinder. It's not even hooked up all over everything. But I guess that's good. It runs at least, doesn't it? That was pretty good. That's 25 psi. I'm happy with that, by golly. So I know that'll work pretty good then. All I gotta do is come up with 12 of these brackets. Then I'll have to bolt in the brackets where they go. So I'll have to take that apart so I can get two of them in there. I have to add another rod in here for two of them. This one's okay. May have to make it a little longer. No, don't need it. Take this apart. Add another one over there. And that one's ready to go. And this one take apart. Well, good. That seems promising.